Okay guys, here we are, another video, the Electric Razor App YouTube channel, and we're going to do something a little bit different today. Okay? We're not going to do a shave, we're not going to do a cleaning video of one of the razors, we're not going to do an unboxing. Well, I guess we are going to do an unboxing, but not of a razor. So with that said, let's start, and it'll be a surprise as to what's inside this package here. First thing, of course, I've noticed here is it's very well protected. Slide that off. Throw the garbage down there for now. Okay, so you can see how well protected this is. Look at that. Very, very well protected. And you can see a line here, a line here. 4 little boxes. And so this is the top part. So let's open this up here. I don't think they had to package this quite as well as they did. Okay, so that wasn't quite as time consuming as I thought it would be. Managed to open up this little bubble package here. You can see there's 4 individual boxes, as I've said. So we'll set them down here. And then we'll have a look at them. Okay. And there we go, guys. Have a look at this. Very small cups, but let's have a look. There you go. The Electric Razor App logo. Both sides. Okay. There's the second one. They actually look a lot nicer. I saw these when I ordered these. I saw them, pictures of them in an email, and they look much nicer in person. The third one. There we go, the fourth and final one. So here we go, guys. There we are. Electric Razor App, steel coffee mugs. So there they are. So As the channel grows, as the Electric Razor app message board grows, I'm going to be slowly introducing a few little odds and ends in terms of merchandise. The cups are here, as I mentioned in another video. We'll introduce some hoodies, a baseball cap, t-shirt. If you have any ideas about merchandise you'd like to see, let me know. And again, if you would like some Electric Razor app merchandise, send me an email, Jim at electricrazorwrap.com, and I'll be sure to get out whatever you want, whether it be a cup like this, a hoodie, baseball cap, t-shirt, whatever it is. Let me know. I'll get it in the mail. So thanks again, guys. Kind of a departure from my usual video, but I wanted to show you these. I had ordered these a few days ago, and I knew I wanted to make an unboxing of these once they arrived, so I have. And remember again to subscribe to, of course, the Electric Razor Wrap YouTube channel if you haven't already. We're getting members all the time. I think last count we're up to 155, so keep subscribing and we'll get to 1,000. We'll get to monetization. And again, www.electricrazorwrap.com. Go there, post your questions about razors, start a discussion, start a poll, whatever you want. Okay? Anything related to electric razors, you can talk about there. So thank you again, guys, and we'll see you in the next video.